Good morning and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. I'm not sure if you can recognise that behind me, but we are at Seaworld Orlando and Chris Goforth is here as well, apparently, but I don't know where he is. I've been looking for him, I can't see him, I can't find him. Can you spot him? There he is! We're in, we've made it to the world of sea. As you can see, the park is all decorated for Howlo Scream, which we just so happen to be doing tonight. That will be in the next video. More Howlo Scream props in place for later on tonight. And also over here. Time for pizza. It's all mine. Ugh, salad. That's somebody else's. It's all mine. Sharks. Fancy a dip? Dun, 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 dun. The shark encounter. Dun, dun, dun. Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark, mommy shark do 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 do. Nemo. Oops, wrong park. If that's the hammer, what size was the nail? That's what she said. Can it handle 8-inch spike? We're going to see the pearl divers and the mermaid. She's showing off now.
What
So the mermaid goes down and gets oysters, and on each side of the oysters is a pearl.
Now, you guys can come in and watch as we open up these oysters over here at the shuttling station. We have lots of space over here underneath the shade in the breach. You can also go up top and talk
That's
to
just way cool.
Or use the yellow stairs.
Some of the Hollowscream merch. That's an awesome t-shirt. Oh look, it's Chris Goforth. If your penis gone harder, I mean pina colada. Well, I thought that show was fantastic. I couldn't record it all because there was lots of copywritten music. But it's another melty day. Absolutely drenched. And look, there's Chris. Time for Infinity Falls. Just a little raft ride. Well, I got mildly moist on that ride. Moist. There's not a dry inch on me. So we're entering into Antarctica. So all you flat earthers, I don't believe you can go there. Look, it's easy, you're there. Let's go see the penguins dance like happy feet. Pick up a penguin. Well, the Goforth, the Texans have gone. It's too cold for them. It's practically spring, 0 degrees.
Sing along, come on.
Time to go trick-or-treating.
Are you ready?
You put it under the pipe, Abby. Put it under the pipe.
What colour you like? You like all the colours?
Yeah, all the colours. Ready? Whoa!
Power punch. Distance 10.
Whoa! Ellie, it's my mummy. I mean, mummy. Witches.
Excuse us, our friend.
Lots of witches. 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 Put your bag in. Ready. Whoa. There you go. Ooh. It's a witch. A witch.
Happy Halloween.
A witch.
Spooky for us. I hope it wasn't too spooky.
It wasn't too spooky. But I want to know which witch went which way?
Which went which?
Which witch went which way?
Well, Ravina got stuck in the attic.
Which way was that witch?
She used the wish room and then she got stuck.
Thank
Happy
you.
Halloween.
Alright, come on.
We're going to go back through so we can get more candy.
The last taffy is my favorite. I've never tried it. Really? Oh, it's very good. I try that one. I know the candy witches make new ones each day. Sour apple. Oh, where my manners. What's your name? Ellie. Ellie. My name is Sue. Nice to meet you. My brother Charles. I'm sure you've heard. He says, where are you off to next?
We're heading that way to get more candy.
Through the pumpkin kingdom.
Yes.
Say hello to Pumpkin Queen for me. She's an old friend. Nice to know. You know which one's my favorite are the nerds because they're also music too. You can shake them, right? You go like this. Well, have fun. There's more candy right around the corner.
Say bye.
Bye.
So we're still soaking wet and we're heading to Penguin Trek, which I may or may not get on. I tried the test seat and I managed to just get it to go green with somebody pushing on the bar. So we'll see. I'll tell you all about it when I get off, if I get off it, if I get on it. Yeah. We're just getting off Penguin Trek. The ride. And now we have to go back through the penguins, which we've already done, and we are still wet. There's no way to avoid it, peeps. And now we're freezing cold and smelling fish. Fishy poop. As you can see, the Seaworld Spooktacular is on at the moment. That's how we were getting the free candy, and that's why there's witches everywhere. Witches. Bye-bye. Meet a mermaid.
You want to take a selfie together? And maybe we can post like your favorite sea creature.
I'm gonna take a
Sea creatures do you like?
I'll take a selfie.
Dolphins.
I'm taking a selfie. Mermaid. Chris's favorite animal. Flamingos. Well, that'll do it for today. We are heading back over tonight for Howler Scream, the Halloween event here at SeaWorld. Here's one of the scare actors right now, the scariest one there of all.
Seriously.
Seriously. Anywho, we shall see you all tomorrow, which is really today, because it's tonight. I know what I mean.
Where are
He's
your
not
people?
saying it. Now it's time.
To do your job?
Wow. Keep in mind he's getting old.
Yeah.